first day of the year, and it is time to set up the year in the right way. And the right way for me is to talk about one of the biggest topics that we should talk about, and one of the biggest things that you can do in a negative way to affect your business and to affect what's going on with the money you're spending. Keep in mind, a marketing company's and a marketing consultant's main goal always should be to be the best steward they can be with your marketing spend and with everything that you're doing from a business, based on recommendations, everything in between. We're going to talk a lot. Now, we don't have daycare, so it is what it is today. But we're going to talk a lot about yes men and no men. And the fact that you need people that will challenge you and will speak up when something may or may not be right, or there should be a whiteboard about a certain topic or a certain challenge. And the reality of the situation is, to be a good steward, you need good targeting, good approach, and good team that's willing to try different things. And you need people with good aim. That's why he's here. I'm just kidding. But the reality of the situation is, you have to work your team around the idea that you're targeting specific customers, but you're trying different things on a regular basis, and you're pushing to a new goal every day. And the reality of the situation is, you need to know your target market, know your demographics, and know who you're looking for. Again, the biggest goal is to shorten the distance between you and your customer. It's that simple. But understanding that your customer may not be willing to travel 5 miles, 10 miles, 20 miles, 50 miles, or they are, depending on what type of item it is or what type of service you're providing. So these deep conversations about variability, different industries, and different targets are going to be key no matter what business you are running or business you are opening. So keep in mind that for this generation and for the people that you're looking to instill good operations for and good processes for, you need good discourse, but you also need to consider your target and your target market. We're going to go deep on it, but if you ever want to have a direct conversation with me or the team, give me a shout. Better Traction Marketing.